Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorials on PHP/Laravel tricks. Okay, on this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set up your local environment. Okay, a local environment will help us to run application very easily without too much URL and the rest of it. So let's just dive into it so we can see what we are actually talking about. Probably we'll do much more than that. Let's see how we go. Alright, so I'm going to be launching my PHP Storm right away. Whichever installer, right? Oh god. Whichever okay. Let's do it right now. I'll change it back to our project. Alright, so just click on open and we'll look for our project folder, which is stood. Can anyone say it? Yes, look at it right here. Click OK. Yes, on this window. Of course it's loading. It's loaded already. Alright, so I'd like us to test our Laravel to see how actually it's working. Okay, if it's actually working. So I'll go to my desktop right now and launch my browser. Actually, I prefer that use Touch or a Chrome browser because of I'll be redefining my local environment. Like Firefox and other browsers may not allow you to do that. You have error like that, so I prefer that you use this. So we haven't even set up our localhost yet, so okay, let me try it. Localhosts, and we have stood. Yes, that's our project name. Whoa, oh, I see. My XAMPP is not on, so I have to on it. So please don't forget that you have to on your XAMPP first. Excuse me. You have to on your XAMPP and click on this. You see, mine is already started because I selected auto start. That's why you don't have the start right here. Okay, so it's auto starting. Alright, I'll just close it here because it's running in the background. So come right here and hit my enter key. I should have my folders. Excuse me. I should have my folders here. These are the folders. I will just click on public and okay, what's happening? You can see our project is running. Okay, but in order for us to do away with all of these long ugly URLs, okay, we can decide to define our own local environment. Okay, vhosts and all of that. Okay, so right now what we're going to be doing is to define our local environment. So we can be using something like this. We have stood, right? I can have stood.div instead of localhost, blah blah blah, and all of that. That is a hell of a stress. Alright, so let's dive in right now and start our local environment. So the first thing you have to do right now is to go to your search bar and type notepad. All right, and you have to right click on it and run it as an administrator. Okay, run it as an admin. Yes, I want to run it as an admin. Good. So the next thing I have to do is to go to file and open. Go to open, and you have this dialog box. All right. I'll be going through. Okay, I should set up the environment first. So let's go to localhosts. I already have it right here, but then I want us to go from here so you can see it. All right, so I'll go right here. I'll go to my XAMPP, that's localhost. As I'll go to local disk, see, then my XAMPP. XAMPP, where are you? Hello. Okay, I'm already inside XAMPP. All right, then I'll locate my Apache and allocate this config, then extra, and because I didn't set it to all, so I have to come here and set it to all, then I'll see all my files. So you go straight to vhost. All right, vhost, and click on it. It should be open. So I already have some virtual host set up right here. So I'll just or should I, let me just type it so for the tutorial sake. I don't want to be lazy. So we have virtual hosts. You see the way I'm typing it, and we have the asterisk and full column, and this is my part 80. All right, then I'll as well end it with /virtual hosts. Okay, yeah, virtual hosts. All right, so in between right here I will be typing my document roots. Okay, sorry, it's document roots. All right, then I have my full column. Sorry, I have my quotation. I have C full column, and then I have /XAMPP, okay, double P /ht docs / our project name is stud, so I'll put it right there, stud / public, that's the folder, public folder which we are locating, and I'll just go right down there and type server. Okay, I'll type what? Server name, and I'll now put the URL which I wish to be using. So it's going to be stud.dev. all right, so right here we are done. All right, so I'll just can do your Ctrl S, or you just come here, you can save, or save, not save as. All right, so our virtual host is actually set up. So we still do another one, so I'll still click on right here, open, and in this one I have to go to my local. I still go back to local text. I will go to Windows. Okay, go to Windows, and I'll locate Windows 32, system 32 rather. Yes, I go to system 32, and then I'll have to locate what's that, then down drivers right here, and I'll go to etc right here, click to open it. So you still have to come down here and select all, and then we have our host, of course. So let's open it, and then we'll have this. So our local name in this host is 127.0.0.1, and then our URL, which is stud.dev, and then we save. Okay. But just in case you are confused where we got this, in your hosts, or you see your normal host right here, all you need to do is just copy it, just copy this, the host, and then you paste. Okay, and all you need to do is change anything you want to change, just like you do here. So like this one now is a comment. They're just giving you an example of what it should look like. So you should be able to change this one to this. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, just change this like this. So it's still the same. So I'll just do away with one and let's have one. So I'll just save right here, and we'll now go back to our browser and have a test if it's actually working. Well, I think something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong here. So let's go back to our virtual host and make sure that everything is correct. Okay, something is wrong, way wrong. Something is wrong. So we have this stud.dev, which is this 127.0.10 like that. Okay, so let's go back to where we came from. Open, go to C, go back to XAMPP, Apache, and we have config and extra. Open, then come down here, and let's go to our vhost that's here. Open it, and let's see if we are actually correct here. Well, with time I think we might be missing something out. So in this case, let us just copy this, just because we want to be so sure. I'll paste it right there, and I'll delete this because maybe I might have made a mistake. So I'll just change this one to stud right here, stud, and I'll change this one to stud, and I'll have to save it right here, and let's have a test again. If it doesn't work, then something is definitely wrong. So we have stud.dev. Whoa, what is wrong? Something is definitely wrong right here. We have to go back and check it's happening. Oh, I think I know what's happening. We need to restart our XAMPP. Okay, stop it and start it again. Okay, so I think it should work this time around. Yes, so let's see if this works. Stud.dev. Voila. You can see it's up and running. So we have successfully set up our local environment. Okay, so it will save us time. Instead of writing localhost and all of that, you just go stud.dev. Okay, so you have any challenge, please, you can put your comment on the comment box. All right, okay, so we can do things together. All right, so if you have any suggestion also, you can also do that, drop it, so we can improve our video quality. All right, so thank you for watching this video tutorial on environment setup. Okay, local environment setup. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for my subsequent videos. All right, and I would like to see you in my next video. All right, so see ya, bye.